Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lewa. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you're already a subscriber or you have watched any of my videos, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you my natural hair journey. So I have been on YouTube for 2 years now, and this is my first time telling you all about my natural hair journey. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to know all about it, keep watching. I relaxed my hair before I was 10 years old, probably I was 6 or 7 or 8 maybe, and I think at the time, which is still the case now for so many people, the belief was that natural hair is impossible to manage, and the best way to make natural hair more manageable is to relax it. So I had thick natural hair until I was about 7 or 8, let's say between 6 and 8 years old, and then eventually my hair was relaxed. And I remember being so excited because almost instantly my hair was longer, and it was definitely easier to manage. It did lack volume, the volume I had with my natural hair, but it was just easier for me, easier for my mom to manage. It wasn't as painful as before. I think I had to relax my hair every 2 or 3 months. That was the routine. I was a just for me loyalist. Yes, and as many of you were, I'm sure. So that was my kit. Fast forward until 2010, after enjoying my relaxed hair, I just wanted to have volume in my hair. So whenever I packed my hair, it just looked flat, and I have a beautiful forehead, so it protruded a bit more. I think I just got tired of the routine of relaxing my hair every 3 months and burning my scalp in the process, and eventually my hair just started breaking. I think I was in school and I was just having a hard time with school at the time, and I decided to go natural. I transitioned for a while. I think about 5 months I transitioned, and during that period I came across some YouTube videos about natural hair. So for those of you who know Tube, I was a loyalist as well. I watched so many of her videos. I saw how beautiful her hair was, and her videos were amazing, very easy to understand. Eventually in February 2011, I decided to do the big chop after transitioning, and I was super excited about it. I was so excited, I washed my hair 3 times, up to 3 times every week with a sulfate shampoo. Back then, I won't do that now. And of course, because I washed my hair so often with a sulfate shampoo, I did not know anything about co-washing back then. I didn't even know about sulfates and sulfate-free shampoos. So I did struggle with a lot of dryness. I knew nothing about the l.o.c method as well. And my go-to products then, first I used VO5 Give Me Moisture shampoo and conditioner, and then I used organics. I think I used organics. Probably I should have done more protective styles. I also left my ends exposed a lot, so I did have dryness on the ends of my hair. At a point, honestly, I felt I looked more beautiful with my relaxed hair, but I think I just looked different. I did not look more or less beautiful. I was just different, and so I watched some videos by some YouTubers, and they said, you know, wear big earrings, wear a lot of makeup. This will bring out, you know, your features, and I did a lot of that too. And it was just a phase anyway. You will look different for those of you who are probably going through the phase of not feeling as beautiful. I think it just depends on how you style your hair, and also know that depending on the length of your hair, there's a stage people call awkward length. I think you should enjoy every stage and just learn different ways you can style your hair. You know, you can use gels, you can use extensions, you can do wash and goes, teeny weeny afros, different things you can do. So don't let anyone tell you you don't look as beautiful. Just learn how to style your hair in the way that will suit the shape of your head, if I may put it that way. I started deep conditioning my hair less often. This was probably year 3 to year 3 and year 4 of being natural, because I did not understand the purpose of deep conditioning my hair. So at a point, you know, I would deep condition once a month, once in 2 months, once in 3 months, and then I stopped altogether. And I really wasn't doing a lot of protective styles. So you can imagine how my hair was. It wasn't very healthy. I just couldn't find products that kept my hair moisturized for a long period. So I tried all kinds of things, all kinds, you can't even imagine. And nothing worked per se. But then gradually I started educating myself about hair products, and I was ready to invest in, you know, products that will help me achieve, you know, that wonderful, long and healthy hair. And also I was willing to invest the time that was required to take my hair from the state it was in to a healthier state. And I think after I made that decision, I saw a huge difference in the degree to which my hair retained moisture and hydration, and also in the length and general health of my hair. I took that decision in, I think that was 2016. I started using the Main Choice products, which I'm sure you have seen a lot of their products in my videos. I absolutely love the Main Choice products, and I started with their detangling hydration collection. If you have used that, especially the shampoo and conditioner, you know what I'm talking about. So I just decided to always moisturize my hair, always seal in the moisture with my hair, always do the l.o.c method anytime I felt my hair was dry. And I think I overdid it, to be honest. I really think I did. But that was when I saw that my hair texture started to change. I used the Main Choice, their leave-in, their 3-in-1 leave-in, their cream, that's their tropical moringa cream, my favorite cream. And I just used different oils, but I think at that point my hair texture changed. What I did not realize at the time, which I know now, is that I was actually practicing the maximum hydration method. And I honestly don't completely understand it now, but my hair has achieved the results of the maximum hydration method. So right from my scalp to the tip of my hair is more defined. That wasn't my intention. I was happy with the texture of my hair. It is easier to manage. It's not as dry as it used to. Now, even sometimes when I just put water on my hair, it gets defined. My hair was never like that. But otherwise, I think what is most important about natural hair, it's not the curl definition, it's about working with your hair, knowing what your hair needs and giving your hair what it needs. My hair also shrinks a lot. I wouldn't say I don't like it. I think I have learned to embrace the shrinkage. I'm going to do a length check at the end of this video, so you're going to see how how long my hair is. To keep my hair healthy, I make sure I deep condition my hair every time I wash my hair. I try to wash my hair every week or at least every other week. When I have protective styles or like braids, I don't get to wash my hair every week or every other week. But once I take down my braids, I make sure I do a good deep conditioning treatment with a mask that contains a strengthener. So, why did I start my YouTube channel? In 2017, I actually started a YouTube channel with a friend, and then we were just interested in different things, and then we decided to start our own individual YouTube channels. And I felt I will just record a video showing how I take care of my hair and upload my videos on YouTube so that people can see them. And specifically, I'm going to record videos about the specific challenges that people with 4C hair face, so very thick natural hair. I started this channel just a little bit over 2 years ago, and I already have 16,000 subscribers. That means many people find my videos helpful, and I am super excited about that. My natural hair has also opened doors for me. In 2017, I went to Paris and was an ambassador for the Main Choice during the Natural Hair Academy event in Paris, and I met Courtney, I met Tiffany and Ebony, I believe. Ebony Bamani. They were fantastic. It was an amazing experience. I have received products from companies to review and show you here on my channel. I'm super excited that I cut my hair and I went natural. Definitely one of the best decisions I have ever made. I love that when people see my hair, they're inspired to go natural, and that makes me happy. That brings me so much joy. So I'm going to round up the video here. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much, all my subscribers and all my viewers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. If there are videos you would like me to record, please let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Okay, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment by all means, please, in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye.